Alright, doing another penetration test type deal, performance test with the Hyper Strike 100 grain using the Jackal crossbow, shooting 315, 320 feet per second, 90, 95 pounds. I'll have the exact somewhere here, there, wherever. But now this one's called Knock on Wood. What is Knock on Wood, you might ask? Well, alright, here we go. Another penetration test we're trying out, calling this one Knock on Wood. It's a 3/8 inch boards between water jugs, just going through, seeing if it'll actually penetrate into making it into number 4. So here we go. Knock on wood. Now you know what knock on wood is. So here we go. We're at 15 yards. You're gonna see how many boards we can split, how deep they'll go in, and like I said, Hyper Strike. Alright, well, we went through the first one, second one, third one, stopped in the third, actually, just barely poked the third jug. So it went in the first board, first jug, first blah blah blah, and stopped barely poking into the third jug. And again, so you pretty much count on these things breaking off and hitting bone. Those little tips. You see that one's missing. This is going through the 3 boards, as you see. It's the first, second, third. You can see the slits are a little cleaner. Look like they got a little dirtier on this one, and then didn't go all the way through. And this is where they broke one off. But this one, it barely hit here, but it was still inside the second jug, which you see what kind of gap is in between the board there, and for it to still remain into the second jug. So it's something was going on there for it to keep it in the jug. So that was interesting that it actually hit the board and then bounced back in and got stuck, I guess, on the recoil, recussion, whatever you want to call it. But there you go. And there you are, Hyper Strikes.